Mixing rock salt and carom seeds in wheat bran and eating it to make rotis increases appetite. Consuming an apple, or apple juice, daily purifies the blood and also improves appetite. Mixing 3 grams of cumin, asafoetida, mint, black pepper and salt in a glass of water and drinking it helps in removing loss of interest in food. Mixing black salt as per taste in carom seeds and consuming it with hot water relieves loss of appetite. In case of loss of appetite, taking half teaspoon of borax in a cup of lukewarm water 2-3 times a day helps in regaining appetite. Licking black salt eliminates gas and increases appetite. This salt also cleans the stomach. Mixing the powder of 1 clove and the powder of 5 black peppers in lemon juice and drinking it twice a day eliminates loss of appetite. Increases appetite and also speeds up the process of digesting food. Consuming myrobalan powder with dry ginger and jaggery or with rock salt cures dysentery. Half an hour before eating, chew half a spoon of celery and eat it. Garlic is also considered very useful in increasing appetite because it also stimulates the digestive system.
For similar Ayurvedic information, join Dharni Ayurveda and get solution to all your problems.